Hey guys, we're back with another toy pallet. This is number number three of 28. I'm Chuckpopovich, this is Chris Clay. Bricks to Clicks is what you're watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button in the corner and feel free to share us. So a lot of fun stuff inside this pallet. It's a mixture of customer returns, overstock, shelf pulls. We'll see what we find. If you watched the other video, it was a home run. That one was a home run pallet, I can say that.
Everything was new on it.
Yeah, I mean, it was a really good pallet.
New with package where we went through all the dollhouses.
Every dollhouse was
original
new.
tape. Yeah.
The L.O.L. stuff was new. The Barbie house was new. I mean, it was a really good find. So we'll see what we get here. It's another L.O.L. camper. It's our,
yeah, just damage on the...
damaged packaging. Besides that, I mean, they're $100.
Yeah, kids are going to open it and play with it anyhow, so...
Absolutely.
Who cares about the packaging?
Some Fusion X. Chris likes testing these. He runs around here, shoots himself with it. So we'll see what happens with those.
Well, you know, you gotta have fun at work.
Brand new. Amazon.
Baby alive.
Yeah, you know, depending if it's a discontinued item, could be anywhere from 30 to 50 bucks for that.
It's a drone. I don't know if this is new or not. If I had to go off of past experience, this is not new. It's funny, my dad's been asking for one of these.
Check these out, laser pegs. I've never heard of those.
What do you think the distance is on these?
I'm sure he can go the distance.
I don't, what?
Yeah, it's not gonna go the distance. These
Control the action
cool.
from up to 250 feet?
That's pretty far. Look at all these. These are brand new. Laser pegs.
What are they?
Press the button, they light up. They're all brand new.
Is that Lego stuff?
Yeah, it's similar to Lego. Check them out. Them are pretty neat.
We'll have to see if we can send those.
Yeah, hopefully we can send them. Right now we got 4 different piles going of those.
Check that and send that picture to him and see if he's interested.
They must have pulled the entire shelf of these.
Shelf poles?
Shelf pulls. Another brand new Potty Dance baby.
We find out this brand isn't worth much.
I didn't even look it up. I just said it there with the others. More of the laser pegs. That's pretty cool stuff.
Some new Barbie. Just clamshell plastic covers coming off, so it was taped back shut.
Oh, man, we sold every single one of those.
Yeah, we did.
These are good money. And
all new Fortnite figures.
Batteries work on it. So Rolly, My Kiss and Puppy, little live pets.
All this stuff there is going to Amazon-ish.
Yeah, so far it's...
Oh, Cards Against Humanity. Cards Against Humanity.
We might just rewrap those.
Cards
Reshrink
Against
them. Look at that,
Humanity.
4 of them.
No, I got a ton in here, bro.
Look at that.
These sell like crazy for us. $15 to $19, just depending on what the market is. Oh, look.
Yeah,
even
they
more.
just keep coming. These fingerlings aren't worth much. We'll add this to our pallets that we'll ship out, so we won't even waste a lot of time with these.
$100 worth of Cards Against Humanity. I can't believe that stuff never sells. That always blows my mind.
At the store?
No, here. Like, we always get brand new stuff of that. It never goes anywhere.
Don't go. These we can send to Amazon. Market increased on those.
Did they?
Yeah, after they all sold out. So these bunches.
There's one on the shelf. Ton more of these.
Brand, it's not brand new, but we'll look it up, see what it's worth. Not why it's one of our pallets, Leapfrog.
I think we sold that. I think we sold a couple of those.
So a funny story. We take the cards out of this, and you can buy this box for $17.99. We take the cards out of it, and it's just a really small pack of cards, and we sell the cards for $10, is it?
Yeah, $10.
$9.99, and in the box we just get rid of. So then it's more profitable just to sell the cards versus the entire box. Go figure.
More Cards Against Humanity. I'm gonna be interested to see if these can actually go to Amazon.
I hope so.
That would be really nice.
Plumber pants and more fingerling hugs. Plumber pants.
Plumber pants.
Yeah.
I've never heard of that. Some Batat stuff.
That stuff we've sent those to Amazon before.
Have we?
Yeah.
Nice.
You know her, Dazzler?
What?
Never heard of her.
Yeah. She shoots like I believe sparkles out of her hand.
Is it like Jubilee?
Almost like her, yeah.
Huh.
I think she's supposed to
Pretty
be
cool.
She's like the leader of one of the offshoots of the X-Men.
A little shimmer shine. We can send some of those to Amazon. We'll find out.
What's the Build-A-Figure part?
I don't know. Oh, is that the same series with her?
Yeah. No, it's Dazzler too.
Nerf. That'll be fun for you.
Nerf. I love
Star
Nerf.
Wars.
I love when we get Nerf in.
Isn't it that chick from that spin-off movie?
What?
Or no, it's from the Han Solo movie.
Yeah.
You guys have seen the new Star Wars movie? I am not super impressed with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in here.
We sold those in lots.
Yeah.
That's just got
The world's smallest stuff.
This would probably go to Amazon. A boo.
Some our generation, again, just package damaging. I mean, even though it's package damaging, we still can get pretty close to full retail on that.
Yes, we can. Oh, these would go right to Amazon. Pimple Pete's, brand new.
I hate that game.
Pimple
So
Pete's.
disgusting.
Ashley loves that
I
game.
know, but to me, it's still disgusting. That one's broke.
Yeah, we're gonna add it to
the pile.
pallet. So one of these is really rare to find. I don't remember if it's Bella, but we sold it for like 50 bucks. We'll have to double check.
It's that one.
And if that's the case, it's just damaged packaging. It's brand new inside. So this would be a nice come up, you know. And you could have bought it brand new at the store when it was available for, you know, $19.99, $24.99, and then we'll make out on it.
Damn it, Lego.
Maybe it's just a wish box.
Can you hear it? I'm pretty sure it's out of the packaging.
Brand new Frozen 3D puzzle, Pimple Pete, brand new. Looks like there'll be some good stuff that we'll be able to send already to Amazon.
Yeah, I mean, this stuff is it's pretty close to overstock.
Oh, this is nice. Brand new
Ponies.
Lego, just switch box. And the
Oh, those are expensive.
yeah, it's probably 50, 60 bucks.
Yeah, I think we sold that one for 60 bucks before.
So that's a nice find there. Here's some more plumber pants and Pimple Pete. Plumber pants, to the pallet it goes.
I'm pretty sure this isn't worth anything, right? We got that last
I
time.
don't remember. We had one, I feel like, on the shelf.
Forever.
Yeah, I don't remember if we added it to a pallet
No, we
or if
didn't.
we shipped it.
Thought we put it in the auction.
Maybe. You can add it to the pallet pile and we'll find out.
Yeah, you can check the price on it, right?
Mm-hmm. Barbie closet. I don't know, this is kind of
If I had to guess, we'll come to find out that I was wrong. We actually sold
Yeah,
it.
probably. We probably sold it for like $500 or something stupid.
That's a little excessive.
Well, I'm
don't
just
you
saying.
think?
That's just how
Don't you think?
How wrong you will be.
No, this is missing pieces.
Whole bunch of little guys.
Is
Man,
it?
did we send these to Amazon? These little
Yeah.
llamas?
Yep.
My mama wants no llama.
What?
Or drama. I was trying to rhyme it.
No llama drama?
No llama drama, that's what it was.
Yeah, is that what you were trying to say?
Brand new Rapunzel doll, just some damaged packaging, so we'll be able to move that through eBay.
Some more disgusting Pimple Pete.
Pimple Pete's.
Oh, some Fortnite. I haven't seen this one
I've
before.
never seen that Fortnite.
Battle Royale collection.
Ninja, Etch a
I
Sketch.
can't tell if that's original tape on it, but it looks like
Like
it.
we sold all those,
We
didn't we?
might be able to send that.
Those Hatchimo playsets?
Yeah, we sold some. I don't know if we sold them.
I wish we could send them, but we cannot.
We're just not authorized to send it, right?
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. What? This is actually a clever idea. It's a vacuum for your darts.
To suck everything up. Why- We need that here at the freaking building.
What? Whatever do you mean?
That's cool. Candy locks. And look at this. Pretzel Live.
Oh, I haven't seen that one yet. It shakes its bum.
That's pretty cool.
I like that.
Yeah.
That cracked me up.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
That's pretty neat.
Shake your booty. That's funny.
That's brand
That's
new.
funny right there. I don't care who you are. Oh, we're not gonna try to lot the ninja stuff.
That one only has one piece in it. The doll. Some RC. Not
We
gonna
can
mess
make
with.
probably one big lot of it.
Oh yeah, we could take it all out.
That's what we did last time. I'll let you make that decision. No.
What the
Might as
hell
well
is
just send
that?
it right to a
Crazy
pallet.
my luck. We sat on these for so long. We just started adding them to the pallets that we took around. So.
Yeah, it's one of those, just like the fingerlings. They never sell. It's so weird.
They
It's
just
brand
sat.
new. Yeah. Ends
Look
up
at
turning into old merchandise.
Tons of more of these laser pegs.
Almost as many as those as we had those Squishimals.
Yeah, I mean, there's just so many of these laser pegs.
More of the ninja stuff. We can pull this all apart and sell it as one big lot. We actually sold all the ones I think we had. I think we had 4 different lots.
Hopefully we can send those laser pegs. That's a lot. Barbie, you know, the packaging is absolutely destroyed on this, but we'll look her up because some Barbies, 50, 60 bucks.
Those collections have been around that price.
So even if this is damaged packaging, it's still new on the inside, so we'll double check and verify that we can't do anything with it.
They'd at least probably pull in 30 bucks.
I'm guessing this is new inside. So we'll open it, lay the bags out, and verify everything's on it.
Did we sell these last time? What did we do with these? I feel like these didn't sell. Bears versus babies.
Told them to send them to Amazon.
Did we?
Possibly.
A whole box versus bears versus babies. I feel like that's like a terrible zoo joke right
Look at
there.
those little guys. Whole bunch of little micro transformers.
Yeah.
Siege and Cybertron.
I'm pretty sure I'd throw that in the pallet.
And then Cards Against Humanity, more of them.
Nice. Ooh, there's a big Lego. Oh man, I cut the shrink wrap off. My bad.
Well, we're not gonna use all of them. We'll break this one down and the next one we'll keep together. There's one of the Mickey Mouses again. At least we know what's supposed to be in it now.
Right. The last one we got 2 of them. And basically we were able to make one complete set out of the 2.
So all the bags are here, but not the 2 boat pieces.
That's still,
That's not too bad. And this box sucks. Maybe the other box would be better.
The one that I threw.
Yeah.
Great. We almost decided to sell the box itself for 15 bucks, but
Slime. The heck is this thing? Dirty unicorn.
yeah, I'm throwing this in your pallet because it's freaking destroyed.
We gotta find more of these. We didn't think these would sell, and then they started selling like crazy. 2 for 50.
Yeah,
Yeah, 2 for 50 bucks for that one.
Got some more of that.
This is where's this guy at?
Some Nerf stuff, but it's loose.
Huh, that might be a different one.
Yeah, there was a ton of different ones. Yeah. That stuff never sells too.
It's perfectly cute. It's new inside. I feel like we just struggle with moving.
Yeah.
Some of it sells, some of it we just sit on forever.
It's hit or miss. Another one of those drones.
I'm hoping they turn out new.
Yeah, I mean, there's no tape on the seals or on the flaps.
I don't know, how do those sell when they're open, if they're complete? I don't remember.
30 bucks.
Yeah, we'll put it in the pallet. We got so many pallets to get through.
It makes it a little bit nicer when we do pallets because now we don't really screw around with garbage.
Absolutely.
Oh.
This Play-Doh is brand new, so we should be able to send that to Amazon. That's new. It's a Play-Doh touch shaped to life. You use your the dolls sell great.
Our generation.
Our generation dolls,
All year long.
really good money. Especially once they get discontinued.
Yeah, right?
Hey, it's your guy. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey.
It's hey, hey.
I've never seen it. I don't know what it's from, but I love that chicken.
Moana. You haven't lived until you watch Moana. Your guy's
His
in it,
name-
The Rock.
Is he?
Yeah, he's
The voice of someone?
the voice of.
Are they making a live action one? Or
Nah,
is
I
that,
haven't heard that.
Or what's the other one?
Brand new Lego. Ariel. And Descendants doll. Might be something. We'll see.
That's bothering me that I can't think of it.
Mulan.
Mulan, that's what it is.
That's what you're thinking.
Mulan.
Not sure if that's brand new. We'll add that to our palette.
I hate these things. One of the guys is always missing a head.
Tax guy bought all the ones we had.
Did he?
Yeah, the ones without the heads.
All the vehicles are in here, but
Hey, look at that one.
another one? He didn't respond to me. It really bothers me.
He doesn't love you.
Yeah. You should learn to respond to the people in your life.
Yeah.
Brother.
He's ungrateful. Some smalls, we'll see if we do some lots on them. And then we sold all the Barbie clothes lots.
Yeah,
Those
we
went well.
do lot that. Yeah.
I know Chris don't like them,
I
but
hate 'em.
the
We
Beyblades.
did.
We sold
we
a few
sold
lots.
$150, didn't we?
$150 lot. Two of them. We sold one for 90 and one for 150.
That shit pisses me off. Do we want to throw this on the pallet?
Yeah. Here's another super fight. This is similar to Cards Against Humanity.
Is it?
Yes.
I've never seen
It's like a spin-off of someone.
Gator golf? We can set that up here.
What do you think on that?
Original
I
seals.
feel like it's brand new. Just
We
switch
sold that for
packaging.
parts, I think, last time.
Yeah, and it's brand new. Just a little bit of switch packaging.
Nice.
So we'll probably be able to get some money on this.
Probably $60.
There's a lot of smalls down here. I'll flip you guys around so you can see it. Oh, there's another one of those Ryan things.
Oh yeah. Those were $11 a piece.
Yeah, we might. Man, maybe we should just toss it in the pallet. Look at.
I mean, I could get rid of the.
All right, guys. So we're done with this pallet, and that's all we have left in here. So there's still some good money in there. The etch a sketches, you know, some of the smalls we'll be able to lot together, and then we just got a ton of stuff on these carts. Really good money. Stuff we're gonna make out of a pallet that we don't want to mess with. So that type of stuff there, we actually will build pallets, as you can see here. Like we're building this pallet here, and then we actually will ship that stuff out to another buyer across the U.S. that we don't want to mess with. But so far, some really good finds. No complaints on this one. We still got a ton of pallets to get through, but we'll get this broken down and we'll be back. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and share us, and we really do appreciate it. We'll see you shortly.